Hi friends, welcome to Setu's Biology. Today our topic is about streak plate method. This is one of the culturing method for the isolation of the microorganisms. It is mainly used in the microbiology. It is a streaking technique mainly used to isolate a pure strain of microorganisms from the single species. This is mainly placing a major role for the isolation of the pure strain from a single species of the microorganism. This method is mainly done in the microbiology laboratories. This streak plate method is a rapid and the simple process, and this streak plate method was first developed by the scientists. Those are two. The two scientists are the Loeffler and the Gaffkey. These two scientists were first developed this streak plate method. These two scientists first isolated this method in the Kocher's laboratory. It is done means this streak plate method is mainly done by diluting a large concentration of the bacteria. Means the large concentration of the bacteria was diluted in the water to form a small concentration. Because of this, the decrease of the bacteria means this is the higher concentration of the bacteria. It is decreased into the lesser concentration due to the dilution process. Means we are mixing this higher concentration of the bacteria with the water to get the lower dilution. Because of doing that, the decrease of the bacteria show the colonies on the plate very separately. Otherwise, if we use this higher concentration bacteria as a sample in the streaking method, we see the colonies in the clumsy way. We can't find out which type of organism was isolated in the plate. That's why we are going to dilute the higher concentration of the sample into the lower concentration. And this streak plate method was commonly done by using a sterile loop. Means it is look like this. This is the sterile loop. Such as a sterile loop is nothing but the cotton plug. Either it may be the cotton plug or commonly used inoculating loop. This is the inoculating loop. We already know the cotton swab, what we commonly use it for the earbuds, like the earbuds it look like. This is the cotton bag. We commonly use these two sterile loops for the culturing streaking method in the microbiology laboratories. Mainly in this streaking method we are using the two tools that are cotton swab, and next one is the inoculation loop. Let's see what is the principle behind the streak plate method. Actually, this method is a rapid and the qualitative isolation method. Means here we are going to isolate the bacterial or the microorganisms in the qualitative way. Means how many number of microorganisms are going to present in the earth sample. In the earth way we are going to isolate the microorganisms by using this streak plate method. And this method is commonly used for the isolation of the colonies, nothing but the microbial organisms in the colony form. And this is it is essential a dilution technique. I already said in the previous starting of the video that the higher population of the bacteria getting diluted into the lower population. In that way, this technique is mainly based on the dilution technique, which mainly involves us spreading a loop full of culture. By using these culture swab or the inoculation loop, we are collecting the culture with the loop full of inoculum. Means complete loop full of inoculum we are going to take, and we are going to spread that culture on the agar plate, on the surface of the agar plate, by using that culture inoculation loop. By how this dilution was done means we are going to take the pure culture from the sample having the higher dilution. Then we are going to take the water for about 9 ml 9 ml or the 99 ml of the water, we are going to dilute that loopful of inoculum into this 99 ml of water, but then the population of the bacteria get decreased or dispersed in this 99 ml of water. From this we are going to take the loopful of inoculum and we are going to spread that culture on the surface of the agar plate. After after the culturing or the cultivating that microorganism on that plate, we are going to incubate that for about, based on the organism we are going to isolate, based on that we are going to incubate the plate for about 24 hours or either 42 or either 72. Based on the type of organism we are going to isolate, we are going to incubate the plate for certain period of time. After that incubation time, we can identify the colonies which are grown on that plate separately, and in this process a sterile loop or the swab is used to obtain the uncontaminated microbial culture. Here we are using the sterile, means we are going to sterilize this loop or the swab what we are going to use in this technique, because we are going to preventing the contamination of the microbial cultures here. All this process is known as the picking colonies, and this process is done from an agar plate. Means we are going to, I already said that after the incubation time the agar plate may visible with the certain colonies, right? Certain colonies. From that colonies we are going to pick the pure colonies, means that process is known as the picking colonies. From that agar plate we are going to pick the colonies with the isolated colonies. Means let's see, imagine that this is the agar plate. Here these are the different colonies. Here the well visible colonies what we are going to isolate here, means this one and this one. From the next step we are going to pick these two colonies from the agar plate. This is known as the isolated colonies, and by picking these isolated colonies from the agar plate we are going to transfer these isolated colonies into the new agar plate using the sterile loop. Actually, when we are going to streak the culture on the agar plate, the initial region of the streak, means if for example this is a streak plate method, the initial region of this streak plate method may contain many microorganisms over here. Means the bunch of microorganisms are deposited over here in the initial region. That's why the mother cultivation was kept before the streaking was done. And next the loop is sterilized, means the loop what we are going to use here for streak plate method on the agar, we are going to sterilize that loop by using the heat on the Bunsen burner until it gets a blue flame only. Between streaking different sections between different sections of the streaking, here we can observe lesser microorganisms or means here imagine, just I am showing the example over here. This is the streak plate method. Wait. This is the streak plate method. The inoculum the mother inoculum what we kept over here, the initial stage, here the bunch of microorganisms were deposited over here. Later the streaking was done and the tail gets here, the lesser microorganisms are deposited with different types. In this way the principle was obeyed or based on this streak plate method. Here actually the streak plate method was done in the different types, means the streaking was done by different types. In the next video I am going to upload what are the different types of streaking. This is the major class about the introduction and the principle about the streak plate method. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.